Hello, YouTube. It's been a while. I don't really have a good explanation right now for why it's been so long, except that I just haven't been feeling great and I just haven't been feeling like uploading anything. So, yeah, that's the answer. And some things happen in my life that I'm not sure I want to talk about right now, but eventually I will. This video, however, I just felt like it was a cute moment that I wanted to share, so I guess I'm uploading it. Also, sorry about the poor video quality. I'm still too tired to even get a camera, plug it in, upload. I'm just gonna make it as easy as possible for me right now. So, but yeah, I woke up this morning, still wanting to go back to sleep, and my cat kept meowing. And I was like, what is going on? Usually he has killed a bug or brought something in or something when he meows at me that much. And I was just like, okay, baby, what's up? And he just stood by the door looking straight up and meowing. And I'm like, you're looking at nothing. There's literally nothing there. And I tried to go back to bed, and then he just kept meowing, so I went back and I tried to lift him up, and I tried to figure out what he wanted, and he just sat there and meowed non-stop. And I was like, okay, maybe he's looking at my keychain that has a mouse on it. Maybe he thinks it's a toy, maybe he wants me to take it down. And then out of my purse, a tiny purse that was hanging next to the keychain I was trying to get down, a bird flew out of it. And hang on, baby, 1 second, I'm almost done. And I freaked out and I was like, okay, I gotta get this bird before my cat kills it. So I picked him up and he didn't want to let go. I opened the door, I tried to put him outside, and I was still in my night shirt, not wearing underwear, and was outside where my neighbors could see me. It was a mess. But the bird didn't want to fly. He didn't want to go anywhere. And I was just like, okay, you want to come back inside with me? What do you need? And so I just carried him around, and that's the footage. I held him with one hand, and then I had my phone in the other, just like, what do I do? And I was thinking I would have to send the footage to somebody and ask what do I do? He doesn't want to fly anywhere. Is it sick? Do I take him to a vet? What do I do? But eventually, after about half an hour, he flew. I didn't get that footage because I didn't expect him to ever fly out of my hand again, so I wasn't filming. But he did leave. He seemed fine. But at least I got some cute shots of a bird. So here are those shots. I hope you enjoy it. He was very cute. And yeah, I hope everybody's doing okay. I gotta go because my cat's hungry. But yeah, I'll try and be back with more videos. Bye for now. This bird doesn't want to lay in my hand and I don't know what to do. I got trapped in here with my cat and now it doesn't want to lay in my hand. What do you think, sweetie? Look how cute he is. He's just sitting here. I don't know, maybe it's hurt. Okay, what can I do for you? I just want to help you. I tried giving him food. I'm gonna go try and give him some water. He didn't seem to want water. He doesn't seem to want anything. He's blinking and looking around, but he seems very calm in my hand. I'm sorry my cat hurt you. I don't know what I can do for you. I guess it's cute.